Here is a company that has researched skin with the belief that healthy skin is beautiful skin. We have found the answer from nature. We seek only safe and secure ingredients. We research nature for a beautiful skin. AJU Cosmetic Company Limited. AJU Cosmetic is ODM/OEM specialized cosmetics manufacturer that has researched, developed, and produced trendy and high-quality cosmetics for the goal of healthy and beautiful skin. Since its foundation in 2008, AJU Cosmetic has steadily shown its remarkable technology and product quality throughout domestic and overseas market. As a result, efforts and technologies are being acknowledged, and it is being fully loved and trusted by the customers as a leading K-beauty company in cosmetic industry. AJU Cosmetic has a cosmetic R&D center that researches specialized products and new natural plant ingredients. Also has a smart factory that can produce products with high-tech facility and strict quality control. AJU Cosmetic R&D Center sends specification sheets to the manufacturing facility with recipe of the products, measures the ingredients according to the recipe by statement of work from the manufacturing facility, and delivers it to the production facility. The containers in manufacturing facility are filled with formula and wrapped, followed by final inspection before getting forwarded for shipment. This is our manufacturing process. All data from every step in the process into the database inputs through the monitoring system. The inputted data sends to the ERP server, and the managing director checks the manufacturing process in real time via the integrated managing system. An ideal work environment with rapid business process and improved efficiency, an accurate production schedule administration with smart data management, and products of quality with steady measurement, with reduced defect rate and zero error in process. These are our achievements. AJU Cosmetic bases on total solution service system, which independently performs steps from product planning and development, designing, manufacturing, and production to quality management, shipment forward, and even branding. We offer the best customer service by producing products with the best quality and reasonable price, satisfying wide variety of customers and market standards. We promise to lead the trends in cosmetic industry and offer products and services that fits global standards, from customer relations to customer satisfaction. Also, we collaborate in the industry sector and build up succeeding business. We are a healthy and beautiful global company. AJU Cosmetic Company Limited.